Hey Tyra, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I understand that you're having both the control and the variation showing you the same thing. So for you to be able to, if you've made changes on this and this, which I think you have because they look a bit different, and you want it to show differently, what you need to do is click on the gear icon here and rename it. Okay, just put in 2 in front, click on update page. Do the same thing for this. Scroll down, update page, and then what you do is you test it again and see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this one and open this one so that I can see if they are the same thing. So on my end it's showing differently, so you might not actually need to even do that. Maybe it's just a cache problem. So you see, that's why I have created this free gift for you. Is here you receive 27 tips to is there, and this one says here's my gift, so it looks different. Yeah, it's completely different. So this might be just a cache problem, and I'll attach an article for you that will show you how to resolve that. Bye for now.